Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Ram Promaster. Before we begin, remember to always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and that you are wearing appropriate protective gear, like gloves and eye protection. Using good quality jumper cables is also important for a successful jump start. We will be using the convenient remote jump start terminals located under the hood. First, you'll need to open your Promaster's hood. Pull the release lever inside the driver's side door, then find the secondary latch at the front of the hood to fully open it. Once the hood is open, look for the positive jump start terminal. It's typically covered by a red or black cap with a plus sign. For the negative connection, find a sturdy, unpainted metal part of the chassis or a designated ground bolt, often near the headlight. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red, positive cable and securely attach one clamp to the positive terminal on your dead Promaster. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one end of the black, negative cable to the negative terminal of the working vehicle. Finally, connect the other end of the black cable to the designated bare metal ground point on your Promaster. With all cables connected, start the engine of the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Promaster's battery. After this time, try to start your Ram Promaster. Once it starts, carefully disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from both vehicles, then remove the red positive cable from both vehicles. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.